The CBI team probing the Sushant Singh Rajput death case once again on Monday questioned the actor's flatmate Siddharth Pithani and his staff Neeraj Singh, and once more visited the Waterstone Resort where the Bollywood star stayed for 2 months. According to CBI sources, Pithani and Singh joined their questioning earlier in the day at the DRDO guest house in the Mumbai Santa Cruz area. The CBI source added that on Sunday the agency had also questioned the actor's personal staff Dipesh Sawant, apart from Pithani and Singh, about the behavior of Sushant after his breakup with Rhea Chakravarti and whether she took financial and professional decisions for Sushant, besides whether she really was keeping the late actor away from his family. The CBI also quizzed that about why they did not call the police immediately after they saw the actor dead in his room, and why they had brought down the body of Sushant and did not wait for the police to arrive. The source said that the CBI will summon more people for questioning in the case, including Rhea, her father Indrajit, brother Shovik and mother Sandhya. The CBI could ask Rhea why she left Sushant's flat on June 8 and what was the reason for her breakup with the 34-year-old actor. He said Rhea would also question about the details of Sushant's treatment and why she fired the former staff of the actor. A team of CBI's SIT once again at Waterstone Resort on Monday, where Sushant stayed for 2 months. The CBI team was also expected to speak to the healer of Sushant and check on the payments and the visitors who had come to meet the late actor. On Sunday, the CBI visited the resort and stayed there for over 2 hours and tried to determine how Sushant was behaving when he had stayed there. On Sunday, the CBI questioning of Pithani, Singh and Sawant at the Bandra's Mont Blanc apartment revolved around recreating the crime scene after it found inconsistencies in their statements. The source said the agency found stark differences and inconsistencies in the statements, so around 2:30 p.m. on Sunday they were taken to Bandra flat to be questioned separately on the chain of events on June 13 and 14. Mumbai police personnel who had visited Sushant on June 14 when the actor was found dead were also present with the CBI and the forensic team. The CBI has questioned both Pithani and Neeraj thrice since Thursday after the team arrived in Mumbai from Delhi, as it seeks to ascertain what really happened between June 8 to June 14 when his girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti left for her house and who all visited his flat till the time Sushant was found dead. It also wants to find who all Sushant spoke to in the absence of Rhea and how he was behaving when his sister stayed with him till June 12. In the coming days, the team is expected to question Rhea and her family members.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.